shit! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Guys, Kai, come in the video. Doing a vlog. So we're at the Spa Castle for Kira's 21st birthday. We went to like 3 different saunas and they're so hot. I couldn't breathe. So they're at this little LED light, purify air zone, I guess. Let me tell you, these pants are so tight. This is their biggest size. Like, they don't know people got thick thighs, big butts, like. So yeah, we're gonna go to the pool next. So I'll see you guys at the pool. Somebody just snapped me like, who the hell is that? Oh yeah, by the way, I'm vlogging on my phone. I think Kai is vlogging on her phone as well. So we're like switch footages back and forth. I'm so mad I broke 2 of my nails in one sitting. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone, like type of thing. And there's no good lighting here, so. This is one of the saunas right here. 142 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Okay, let me show you guys a preview of like everything. This is the view of the saunas. Right here, right there. That blue light over there. That's the freeze room. Yeah. This is really nice. Called Spa Castle. I'm laying in like the red infrared lights at Spa Castle right now. I got no makeup, no lashes, no nothing, y'all. Oh, Kiara's over there. But yeah, here's Akira. It's her 21st birthday. So we still go to the pool. I look crazy. We still go to the pool and have fun. Kiara. And Akira, she's downstairs for her 21st birthday. She's under the red infrared light, but I couldn't deal with that. My eyes were kind of hurting. But right now we're in the sleeping room. Nobody else is in here. That's how it looks in here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm on my phone. We don't have our camera with us. But it's super fun so far. We're waiting for Kira so we can go in the pool. But it's really fun. It's really, 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 really fun. But yeah, like they give us these wristbands where we can wristbands where we can buy like food and stuff with the wristbands, and we have to pay after, and then we you know, can do so much stuff with it. Get like towels, get mad stuff. But yeah, I'm chatting right now. It's snowing outside. It started snowing, Kiara. It really started snowing. Before, when we came here, well, we were supposed to have a nor'easter storm. Oh, look, Kara, happy birthday. Happy birthday. We were supposed to, I didn't know that. We were supposed to have a nor'easter storm, which is, but we were supposed to have a snowstorm, basically. And it didn't come. It was raining, but now it's snowing. So that's how we are. We went in the sauna. That's why my face is kind of red right now. Like, it was so hot. And it was like 170 something degrees. We were cooking. Then we went in the freeze room. It's 45 degrees, but that's nothing. 45 degrees, like, that's how it is outside. But that was really nice. And we're about to go up to the pools. We're about to go up to the pools, guys. Give it a minute. I'm calling Daddy. All right. Guys, so we're in the hot tub outside and it's snowing.
Oh my God, it is.
It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
It went down 1 point.
It did. It's really nice in here. Like, even though it's raining, it's snowing, and I'm getting snow all in my face. It feels really nice, and like, hey, you know,
listen,
you only live life once. You only turn 21 once, so might as well.
I was told only goddesses used to make us on their birthday, so you already know what it means.
Yeah, y'all. Don't mind my fat, guys. We all knew it was there. Like, I got snow in my hair. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we go in. We going to the pool? But it's really nice out here. Like, look at this. The one upstairs. This is really nice. And there's people over there in the pool. And yo, it's really nice out here. Like, the weather is horrible, but it's really nice out here in this hot tub. So we went in the pool, and then yeah, we ate. I had a panini, a Parmesan panini with some fries. Kira had fried chicken with fries. Kaya had a chicken burger with fries. Same thing. And it was mad good. Look how my hair looks so amazing. So yeah. No, I'm not plugging anything up. I'm not getting back up. I'm so full. Look at my stomach. Ugh, I'm so full. Ooh, I'm so full. Oh, I'm really full. But guys, I'm going on a diet. I'm about to start working out, get me a personal trainer, all that good stuff. You're looking over here, Mom does not show you. But anyways, yeah, I just lost my phone for a temporarily second. I have on my anti-gravity case. Where is it? My anti-gravity case, and I stuck it on the wall, and it fell at the side of the chair in the sauna, and I couldn't get it up. And then Kira, she saved me and lifted up the panel, the wooden panel, and got my phone.
You woke up.
And as I said before, there's horrible lighting. We're doing this on our phones. We left the camera home. We weren't even gonna vlog, but then we were like, oh, let's vlog. Leave this up there so people know. You put your shoes there too.
I'm pretty much.
Nah. But yeah, we're in the sleeping room or napping room, something like that. Yeah, but just chill out. Probably watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, like, I just woke up from my nap, and she's still sleeping. Kaya, she just closed her eyes like she was sleeping. So this girl wants to go in the pool, the nude pool. Okay. Yeah, and our cousin is coming. I'm doing a vlog. Oh, hey YouTube. Hey YouTube. Where's the curls at? Oh, I put some conditioner. I was supposed to put that in my hair before. The girl was talking about with the waffle. She's sleeping. She knocked.
Kira, is it a waffle cone?
No, it's just waffle.
Kira.
So let me tell you, I fell asleep. And it's not a cone, it's a waffle. So I fell asleep, I get back up. I'm like, oh my God, like, I fell asleep. I'm like, Kaya. I'm thinking this girl's asleep. She just didn't want to answer me. All of our pillows fell on the floor. Oh. Kaya's is over there. I put it upside down. And Kira's is over there somewhere. I feel bad, I don't want you to. So guys, we're going in the nude pool. I'm about to take off my shirt. Already got my towel on. I'm ready to go. Guys, we just came from the nude pool, and it was nice. It was nice. You know, everybody was naked. Nobody was like, oh, she big type thing, you know.
Yeah.
Kaya.
I had a chicken sandwich.
I couldn't even finish it. They had to help me.
Who they?
And our cousin Chrissy is here. Yeah, so we about to go back outside in the hot tub or the pool. So if I get sick, you know? Yeah, dig. So we going outside. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you this snow. We going in the pool? Where's it, bro? Oh my God. We going in the pool? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Yeah, there's a blizzard out here. We kind of went inside. Oh, this is nice though. Oh, this is nice though. Guys, look! Say what's up to the vloggy vlog.
Hi, guys. Hey.
Push it back. We got water splash in the water. Yes, this is really.
I'm glad we came out here.
I
wasn't sure at first, but this is a good decision.
Kay, I think you should just go under the water so you don't get no cold in your back. Mommy probably gonna be like, y'all crazy. Oh, this is nice. The pool got heaters and whatnot. What? Even though y'all can't really like, ooh. Snowflake!
I'm about to record underwater, right?
No, bro. I'm not doing that because this is I know somebody.
Forehead about to be
I know. Oh my God! I know somebody. They went to Jamaica. She went to Jamaica and she put her phone in the water and her home button stopped working.
I'm dead.
So and she had to get that thing fixed. Bro, not me. I'm suing Apple. You told me water resistant. It's coming. It's a blizzard, bro. Blizzard. How we get? Hey! Woo. It's like a castle, like fit for a queen like me.
Just like it last appointment for another.
I tried to save you, but the towel was just down.
Your wig flew off.
You're facts. I'm weak.
Good thing I left that joint at home.
Facts. Oh gosh. Yo, it's like I might get a head cold because of the snow all in my hair. Kaya, oh. Kaya's gonna suck her up into the mist. Kaya, no. Oh, this is smacking me in my face. It hurts. Ow. Okay. I gotta switch hands. Hold on, I gotta switch hands. Gotta vlog with the other hand. Gotta vlog. Oh, it's a little misty. I'ma come back. Kaya! Oh, I see her. She up in there in the mist. You can't even see her. She up in there in the mist. We gotta go through. No, I didn't poo. I didn't pee. I swear. I swear. I said I didn't poo. I didn't pee. No, I didn't. I swear I didn't do it. FTC. Black T stand up. What it do, flight crew? FTC. Black T stand up. Hold on. Where's Chrissy?
What's a good idea?
What it do, sister crew? SITER. Sister crew, stand up. I'm weak. Nah, my face though. All right, guys. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we inside, warm and whatnot. Because now I go phew. I'm weak, you my team. You different. Hey guys, so we are done. As you guys can see, I'm dressed. And we're heading to Coldstones to get some ice cream. I tried to get my shoes. Can't find my locker. Oh, it's right here. Gotta get my shoes out my locker.
Bless you.
Yeah. Okay, he's not opening. But yeah, we're gonna get the shoes, pay, and then we're leaving. So yeah.
Wrong one.
No, this is it. Alright guys, so it's the next morning and I have school. I'm gonna be late. Who cares? And Kaya and Kira are still asleep, I think. Even though Kira has school and she's gonna be late too. You know, we had a good day yesterday. Yeah, they're both still asleep. Is my laptop down here? My laptop down here? I have to edit this video. I don't know where my laptop is. I'm recording for Kaya's asleep. But I can't find my laptop. I gotta edit this video and another one. Yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all later. My working out.